We heard a loud crash out in the hall. We didn't know what it was, but immediately after that, we heard rapid gunfire. And before I knew it, he was in the chapel. He was directly in front of me. I looked right at him.
I'm very possibly going to die. And the longer I lay there, the more I realized I am going to die. Lost 11 friends that day.
315, every available unit in the city needs to get here now. We're taking on AK-47 fire from out front of the synagogue.
We made a decision as a collective group right there that based on a priority of life, we were going to continue to push and clear the rest of the structure.
The carnage and what we saw in there was so graphic and so evil. This can't be real.
Just as I was getting ready to cross the threshold, Tim got shot. And then Mike dropped. All I could see was his muzzle flash. I just couldn't see him. I couldn't fucking see him.